We work hard every day, nothing gets in our way. We are the leaders of tomorrow. Creativity in children does not blossom only through books. It truly comes alive when they experience learning through hands-on activities. As part of this vision, Narayana e-Techno School Mogappair organized an exciting live art activity and painting session with Somshekar sir, who cheerfully explained the importance of sketching. He highlighted how sketching not only sharpens observation but also sparks imagination and builds creativity in young minds. With a great enthusiasm, he then gave a live demonstration. Our teacher, Rishishashi sir, created a truly unforgettable learning experience for the students by setting up his canvas right outside the school. With a great passion, he began painting the cows, live capturing their natural movements and expressions. What made the session even more inspiring was the way he engaged throughout the process. He not only demonstrated his artistic skill but also guided them step by step, explaining how keen observation of real life surroundings can be transformed into meaningful art. The atmosphere was filled with excitement and curiosity as students watched a simple everyday scene come alive on the canvas, motivating them to see art every day around them.